Alright guys, the moment you guys have been waiting for. About to do a little TOUGE run in the S13 with the squad right now. Oh my god, no way. Oh hell. Hey, watch, I'm about to gap this guy. Never mind, I'm in a stock S13, there's no way. I got gapped, bro. Shit, I got it, bro. Oh, hell no. Oh, no. Oh, hell no. Oh, yeah, he's gone. Oh, my God. We're gonna die on this. Hold on, let me roll my window up. We might die on this run. The headliner's falling off. The springs aren't really settled. And things are scraping a lot back there. I don't know if you can tell, there's a lot of stuff that's scraping back there. I'm a little nervous and a little scared I might die, but you know what? I do it for you guys and like, yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's kind of fun, but like also like I might die, so I kind of just do it for you guys. So, let's see if this thing does it. Gee, bro, I'm gonna have to borrow that after I break down. After I break down on the TOUGE. No, I'm just kidding. Well, actually, I don't know. I can never be too sure. But anyways, the car's driving okay. We're hitting this road pretty hard. Turning's pretty good. I don't know if you guys see this, but look at this. Look at that handling. Check it out. Things aren't falling apart yet. Yup. 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 Later, Mustang. Yup. Yeah, so as you guys can see, we're doing pretty well. Nothing's bad so far. Everything's good. Yeah, they ride okay. There's some rattling in the back, but like I said, it's just due to like a lot of loose stuff back there. All the coilovers are all bolted and everything. The one thing I don't have is an alignment right now, and some of you may know, but some of you may be wondering why not. The springs haven't settled yet, so when any spring or coilover is brand new, it's an unsettled spring, or it's basically uncompressed. So you want to run it for like a week or two to where the spring settles in and becomes like compressed to where it's gonna stay normally. And it's what's it called? You know, when it oscillates at the median point where it like sits. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, damn, bro, that guy just got me. So until those springs settle, I'm running on misalignment. I got it right for the most part, I think. The toe doesn't look too bad. Camber's not adjustable in the rears, only the front. So I maxed out the camera at the front. And the toe in the rear looks okay. I don't know, we'll see. My tires should be okay, but it didn't look too far off. But, you know, we'll see. Oh no. Woo, all right. We're back once again. This time, we got new wheels and tires, so like I said, we're gonna see how we do. Hopefully we should grip up a little better. Hopefully we don't also rub. My brakes are still stock, so keep that in mind. Sorry, it's been a while since I've done this. I'm behind the master himself, TOUGE master. Sorry, it's making some weird noises back there. A little sus right now. It's alright though, you know, shit happens. Oh God. Oh God. Hey, this thing handles pretty well. This is, hey, with coilovers and wheels, Hey, this thing's doing pretty well, I'm not gonna lie. It's a little darker than I like it to be, but whatever, you know. It's like a little night run. While we're going slow right now, let me just check, see if the camera's still good. Yeah, the camera's still good. Hanging good back there? Yep, we're hanging out. Holy cow, dude. Dude, this car is grippy as hell, man. Jesus Christ. The actual properly sized tires, pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what that was, I don't want to know. We're just gonna pretend and ignore it. Thanks, bro. So far, so good. Downshift here. Turn in. Woo-hoo-hoo! Dude, this thing's handling, bro. Oh my god. Now we're moving right now. Jeez. I want the AC on still. I didn't realize I've been driving with the AC this whole time, bro. Oh my god. I could have like 5 more horsepower if I turned that on earlier. It's all good. Griffin's downshifting now. I think it's gonna go fast. I don't have enough power to kick out, so I can just kind of full throttle. I really have to apex or power out of the turns that hard. Yup. Okay. Dude, this thing's handling, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, man. I love this car so much. S13 appreciation, bro. Oh my god. Dude, this thing's gonna be a downhill demon, bro. Oh my god. It literally doesn't weigh anything, that's why. It weighs nothing. This thing's probably lighter than my FD. It probably weighs like 2,400 pounds. Bro, I can just throw this thing. I'm just throwing it around. Oh my god, dude. This thing is so planted. With the wheels are fully balanced. They're already balanced when I bought them. And these coilovers, dude, I'm not even losing grip right now. The car doesn't weigh anything. I got cut off. It's all good. Damn it, dude. I thought Griffin was gonna punch her through there. Damn. Well, now we're stuck. Well, you know, sometimes you get stuck behind traffic. That's right, there's a downhill car. We don't have power uphill, so it's as expected. We're not gonna be going that fast on the uphill. It's just, it is what it is, you know. Camera's still on there, that's good. Oh my god, I'm getting hot in here. All the engine heat. I don't have a... Why is there so much heat? Oh, it's coming out of the... Oh, the transmission. The transmission's not the best. Because we ran it with no... I didn't run it, but the previous owner ran it with no transmission fluid. Which is, once again, not my fault. I put in 3 quarts. I did what I could. Yeah. Just couldn't do it. Used MT90, I used the best of the best, you know, but didn't work completely. It muffled the sound a little bit of like all the grinding, but other than that, like, nah, not really. So it's all good. Anyways, I'm probably gonna cut the video here because that was a sick uphill run. That was solid. That was solid.
That's funny. You've had that bumper forever, right? Oh, you're filming.
No, you're good. No, yeah, I've had that bumper, but I should have brought the red FD up to match with the red boys, but we made it up. All right. Oh shit. Oh man. All right. Shit. Police. We gotta go, man. We gotta go. I don't got plates on this. Oh god. Yes, officer. I definitely have plates. Ha ha ha. I don't know. Please start. Okay. Ha ha. Yes, officer. I definitely have plates on this car in full registration and insurance.
Cap.
Yo, we dip it. Oh god, it's a whole gang of people, bro. Cops rolled up and we're just allegedly we're not running away. We're just driving off the premises in a very fast manner. It's not illegal though. Alright, yo, what is going on, guys? Made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much. I hope you guys like this little run. I do read all the comments, and I get a lot of comments every day saying, please do more driving videos. And I know, like, in the past I used to do a lot of driving videos. That's when my cars all ran, like, perfectly. Obviously, over time, when you push your cars like that, things wear down and they break down. So I hope you guys understand that, like, things have to be fixed when you drive your car, like, really hard. You know, it's not just like, I don't have a brand new BRZ, I don't have the money for a brand new Super or anything like that. Things are just ready to go off the lot that require absolutely zero maintenance. I buy older cars for cheaper, and then I build them and slowly, you know, fix them over time. So it's a different type of lifestyle, but you guys, like, have to understand that, you know, it costs a lot, not only money, but a lot of time to upkeep these cars. And I do it for myself, but, you know, I can't always just be posting driving videos because things break. So I hope you guys, you know, can stick with me through it, because, you know, I still have to fix the FD and the M3, so, but at least S13's running. So once again, if you guys like the video, feel free to like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.